Stop. The following experiment is dangerous. Do not try this at home. No, really, don't.
It's a new series, so let's celebrate with champagne. The pressure in a champagne bottle is about 80 pounds per square inch, 3 times the pressure of a car tyre. As they heat up, the CO2 molecules get agitated, increasing the pressure to intolerable levels until finally it bursts. The bottle is made of thick, toughened glass, so when the explosion does happen, it's enough to rip the microwave apart.
We do these experiments so you don't have to. Do not try this at home.